Myths or truths of PLM.
Organizations can simply buy PLM and use it out of the box. What do you think?
This is certainly the case to some extent.
All right, this is also a myth, I would say, unfortunately, to a certain extent.
Unfortunately, this is a myth.
That's also, I tend to more a kind of myth, right?
I think, Yash, that's also not correct.
We have customers which implemented PLM and our solution specifically very fast, and we have many predefined scenarios, integration scenarios, model company, which customers use and helps them to use out of the box. But of course, as I said before, not size fits all. Customers have different needs, and SAP provides the option to tailor it specifically to your needs to the extent where you need it.
You have many times different industries which have different requirements, and obviously not everything can be out of the box if they want to really fulfill all of their special needs as well as their differentiating needs, let's say, sometimes also as compared to the competition.
Companies nowadays try to, let's say, use the standard as much as possible. They call it fit to standard. They try to use all the standards, processes and capabilities we offer, but typically it's not fulfilling all the requirements, so they have to adapt or extend in a second phase. But the trend is, to use PLM out of the box, but it is a myth. It's not reality right now.
Because PLM is also a very individual topic for companies. So we try to help with a lot of out-of-the-box functionalities, but also need to stay flexible in terms of that, to adapt it just as they need it, right? So I tend more to the myth.
So PLM is not a plug-and-play solution, right? Of course, companies, enterprises, and in all sizes, they can purchase PLM software, right? But all organizations, they have specific, unique business needs, right? They have to integrate with some other systems. They have existing systems, legacy systems, right? We have to drive, of course, the adoption of the system. We have to do user training, data migration. There is some degree of configuration that's always the case, right? For workflows, to make the solution work for the customer. So absolutely not true. Of course, the idea is to have implementations that are closer to out of the box, right? But in my experience, and I think most of the PLM experts will say that that's not the case.